Plastics
are indispensable, inextricable, and ubiquitous in our everyday living, especially for a country that is accustomed to utilizing sachets and tingi, which for the majority is more practical. Consequently,
Philippines was the #1 plastic waste contributor in the ocean, and it's evident everywhere.
most plastic waste in water disintegrates into tiny fragments.
These small plastic pieces less than 5 millimeters in length or smaller than a grain of rice are called microplastics. Consider this cotton candy as plastic. As I place this in water, it breaks apart. Although it's no longer a visible solid to the naked eye, it is still present in water as the pink pigment. That's the same with microplastics. Studies found microplastics everywhere on Earth, from the depths of Mariana Trench to the top of Mount Everest and even in the very air we breathe in. These are supported by the research in Laguna Lake where all water samples contain microplastic.
An environmental expert expounded that microplastics get consumed by fish, potentially causing gastrointestinal issues impacting growth and fish production.
He added that it also affects the health of people. It might cause allergic reactions, inflammations, or oxidative stress as they are foreign to our body. But sadly, there is no global standard of microplastics on fishes and its effect on humans. A lot is not understood yet, and the world is still studying about it. But of course, we're not gonna wait around. So how do we battle against this tiny, almost unseen enemy? Well, let's deal with the visible root cause. Plastics are polymers, which are made up from small molecules or monomers linked up together. That's a lot of plastic to discuss. Let's focus on one. Familiar symbol and scene, right? Polyethylene terephthalate or PET is the most recycled plastic. But are they safe as a water container for drinking? PET are made from crude oil.
It is produced in the reaction of monomers, terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol in the presence of catalysts. When there is a reaction between acid and alcohol, we get an ester. In a esterification reaction, the water molecule gets removed and COO remains and forms a COO linkage.
Tada! Now you have a light, handy, cheap, flexible, and durable plastic, which is estimated to take 450 years to fully break down. And they will not be gone, but just turn into micro and nanoplastics. What really makes PET a health risk are the chemicals added to them, like BPA and phthalates.
It seems like humanity has created a hero and a villain in one. And our best option today to not let them take over the future still goes back to the 1970s slogan:
Recycle, 2. Reuse, 1. Reduce, 0 into zero waste.